Overall, it was such an amazing experience, and one word I would give it would be definitely humbling. Because we all tried so hard to show love to the kids, but at the end of the day, we're extremely limited as people, and it just shows the need for God in this world and God's love. And it felt really good to be a part of something that God would approve of, and a part of His work, loving those who don't have parents or a family. But still, it was still extremely humbling, and um, you feel limited as a person. You feel limited in your flesh because you want to do more and you want to love more and you want to give more to the children, but you realize that's coming, and it's another time. But as humans, we could try our best, and that's what all we can do for now. But overall, it was such an amazing experience. It really widened my perspective and just made me want to do more like this and reach out to more children in need, and reach out to the communities here. And I just absolutely loved it, and I think it really opened up my heart and softened my heart a little bit more. And I just pray for those children there. I pray for Pedro and Feliz, and I just really hope that their operations run smoothly and those children continue to feel loved on a day in and day out basis.